Good morning, class 2 children. Now I am going to read chapter 11 English literature, A Visit to the Railway Station. Salim, a little boy, had received a letter from his uncle Kasim. Uncle Kasim and his daughter Razia were arriving by the evening train on Sunday. Salim and his father were on their way to the railway station to meet them. They walked first. They reached the station and Salim's father bought the platform tickets. Then they went up a bridge. Father, do you see that the train coming? Yes, Salim. I think Uncle Kasim is in it. No, it can't be in that train. It is a goods train, said Salim's father. A goods train? What's that? asked Salim. It is a train that carries goods such as grains, grass, and bricks. Sometimes it carries animals too, said his father. Uncle Kasim will come by the mail train. What's the mail train, father? asked Salim. His father said a mail train is a fast train. It carries passengers and also letters from place to place. Then they climbed down to the platform. Salim saw a lot of people on the platform. He said, Father, are all these people here to meet Uncle Kasim? His father laughed and said, No, Salim. Some of them are passengers, others are here to meet their friends or relations arriving by the train. Soon they heard the whistle of the engine. The porters were waiting to rush to the carriages. The train came puffing in. Look, father, there's Rajia, shouted Salim. Rajia too saw Salim and his father. The children waved at each other. Soon the train halted. Salim and his father ran towards Uncle Kasim and Rajia. How excited the children were! While Uncle Kasim was talking to Salim's father, the children had fun watching the people on the platform. They saw some passengers rushing out of the train to fill their water pots. Some men were going up and down the platform, shouting milk, hot milk. Others sold bananas and oranges. Salim's father then said, Come on, children, let us go home. Uncle and Rajia must be tired. As soon porters picked up their luggage and bell rang, the passengers rushed back to their carriage. The guard blew the whistle and waved the green flag. Puff, 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 the train moved off the platform. Now, children, in this story, the two children, Kasim and Rajia, they are coming from outside, and Salim, they are waiting for them. Salim and his father bought one platform ticket because without platform ticket no one can enter the station premises. They bought platform ticket and stood on the bridge because from there they can watch the train properly. After that they reached the station and both of them they met each other, and other passengers also are there. They came from station to collect some food or water. Then again the bell blew and they went to, again the train started to go. And in this story, see, the pictures also are there. You draw these pictures in your copy, and this one you read it twice or thrice. Thank you.